Today we are conducting a load trial on a 25 ton capacity crane for Bodwad project lift irrigation scheme. Now we have hired loads of approximately 6930 kg, 4 pieces, that is 27,720 kg. Now the first procedure is we are ready with the deflection. The person is indicating the deflection on the rested condition. Now we will be lifting the load of 27,720 kg and the deflection observed is 5 mm in the up condition, and similarly in the down condition it has again become 0. Now displayed current of the main hoist motion in the up direction was 32.3 amps and in the down direction was 20.1 amps for a rated load. And now we are going to move the load in the cross travel direction. So the current on the cross travel also will be displayed on the VFD. The first VFD is the main hoist VFD, the second one is the cross travel auxiliary hoist VFD, and the third one is the cross travel VFD. Now the load is being moved. Now the rated load has been lifted and the cross travel movement, we are driving the cross travel motion with the rated load of 27,720 kg. You can witness the current on the VFD display. For the cross travel, two motors are connected. Hence, the current observed for both the motors in forward direction is 1.7 amps and 1.9 amps in the reverse direction. Now the movement has been completed and we are again going to overload the crane with additional load of say around 3,300 kg, the total becoming 31 tons approximately. Now with the overload of 31 tons, we are just lifting the main hoist motion. We are lifting the load on overload and then we will be again keeping it down. Now we are going to do the trial testing on the auxiliary hoist motion of 5 ton with one beam of 6930 kg. Now we have lifted the beam. The current will be displayed on the second VFD on the VFD panel, and now we are moving the trolley with the auxiliary hoist motion lifted with 6930 kg of load. For the auxiliary hoist, the current observed is 12.6 amps in the up direction and 10.1 amps in the down direction. Now the trial testing is complete and we are concluding with the load trial of the 25 ton crane.